Hello everyone and welcome to this week's video tutorial on Midgame Tactics. This is based on the free ebook that's available on the World Xiangqi Federation website. This will be a continuation of Chapter 6, the first section of Chapter 6, which will be dealing with the tactic of blocking material in Xiangqi, which is relatively prevalent. So without further ado, let us begin today's example. A quick analysis of this board will show that red would have one chariot, two horses, one cannon, three pawns, and a full guard. Black would have one chariot, two horses, one cannon, full guard, and four pawns. So black would have the extra pawn, and unfortunately, he would have a centroid horse over here. But in compensation, black would have two major pieces preparing to storm this flank. So if black were to move first, he would go c8 plus 2 followed by c8 black equals to 9 to try to deliver a kill. It would be red's turn to move. So an example, red will play h6 plus 4. Now this would be a move with far-reaching consequences. This will be seen later on. Black would continue to attack, c8 equals to plus 2, and finally the horse gets to where red would want to position it. Now, at this point in time, in the first variation that was given a book, but would be oblivious of the potential danger that he was in and still strive to go c equals to 9. Now, red at this point in time would use the tactic of the block and play c5 equals to 2. Now this would be in fact a discovered attack, because if black captured the chariot, it would be an immediate checkmate with h5 plus immediate checkmate with h5 plus 6 or h5 plus 4. So by blocking the chariot, black would also be denied the possibility of playing r8 plus 9 for a checkmate. So faced with this threat of a smothered checkmate, black would try to move his horse to safety and also provide some protection for his chariot, which was left hanging earlier on. But black would not, red would not go away so easily, and he will continue with c7 equals to 5. Now with the cannon over here, now red will be threatening to checkmate with either h5 plus 6 or h5 plus 4, because this will be a double check. The only way for black to resolve this check will be to play k5 plus 1, but either way the chariot is lost, and red would have alleviated any potential threat that black had earlier on. Red would now have the advantage, and this would be a significantly huge turnaround from the initial position, as can be seen over here. So h6 plus 4 was played, and and after h4 plus 5, say black decided to defend with e1 plus 3. What would red do? Red would simply capture the elephant by force and still threaten to checkmate. So as can be seen, this would be an a checkmate that cannot be resolved, because if black played, let's say, this would be a checkmate. So a quick recap of this example. In the initial position, red would be threatening with the checkmate very earlier on, but with some nifty maneuvering, the red horse would now be intact, and this is a very important precursor, because once the red horse was already intact, black can use the tactic of the block in combination with the discovered attack to change things around. So c8 equals to 9 was black's attempt to try to fight fire with fire and go for the kill, but red would simply use the block tactic, which is the key topic of this board, threatening to checkmate. and he will not be in a hurry to capture material, but instead will continue to position his material in a more favorable position. So I hope you've enjoyed this short video tutorial. Personally, I like the examples in this book very much. They are, although they are considered to be fundamental, I think they have taught me a lot over the years, and I hope to share the knowledge found in the book. If you like the work I've been doing and wish to support me, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.